We have got a beautiful evening here, Wednesday the 6th of August 2025. We're currently at the Tampa Bay Parrot Head Club meeting, enjoying some live music, some good food. It's kind of thinned out. We're at a place called Whiskey Joe's here in Tampa Bay. Been here for a long, long time. Sometimes we bring our kayaks right along in here if we don't want to go too far. Well, this is only like 8 minutes from the house, maybe. So we bring our kayaks down here, put them in and paddle around a little bit. This area is known as Old Tampa Bay, and that's the Howard Franklin Bridge down there. That's also the Interstate 275 bridge that crosses over into St. Petersburg. Behind us, this road here, that is the Courtney Campbell Causeway, and that is the most northern bridge crossing Tampa Bay. Now once you go past the 275, the Howard Franklin Bridge right there, below it is the Gandy Bridge, and then beyond it is the Skyway Bridge, and the Skyway Bridge is the bridge that the ships come and go into the Tampa Bay area for cruise ships and cargo ships, containers. So really we have 4 bridges crossing the bay.